Hi, I know a few of you have asked me about my recipes for my bread and my pies and my soups and stuff, and I have sent them all to you, but I'm going to do a little demonstration just to help people out, just so exactly how to do it. It's up to you, you can follow it, it's nothing hard, it's nothing chefy, it's just some little tips on how to do it and something to watch, so I hope you enjoyed. Okay, first of all, what's important to making bread? Right, plain flour. You don't need this. This is just normal plain flour to make pastries and cakes and that kind of stuff, so you do not want to use this for bread. What I recommend is it's strong bread flour, has a bit of gluten in it. It's great for bread and pizza dough. You can also get a brown bread flour as well. And we're going to do 1 loaf of white today and 1 loaf of brown. We're going to use these small tins, these 2 tins. One's a big tin, one's a small tin. We're doing a small tin today. 2 loaves. These are borrowed off a friend, so you get the silicone ones online. You can get the little tins from the supermarket. These aren't actually mine, so they are borrowed. So, right, let's get cracking. Lots of bread recipes out there. This is just my basic one. I've been doing this for years. I think I got off a chef from years and years ago, and it's always worked, so anyone can do. So we will start with the bread flour. That's 600 grams of flour. Oh, most important bit, put too much in and your bread is knackered. So you just want a bit of salt. Add the sweetness to your bread. Again, just a sprinkle of sugar. That helps the yeast as well. This is the magic ingredient, dry yeast. And it comes in little 7-gram packets like that. We need 1 packet of that. Cut it off and straight into the flour mix. That's it, done. Just give it a stir around. Right, next ingredient, warm water. 300 mils of warm water. Not too hot. If it's too hot, it'll kill the yeast. If it's too cold, the yeast will not activate. So it wants to be lukewarm water. And I use a bit of olive oil, a couple of cloves. Use veg oil, whatever oil you want. Stir up. And add it to the flour. That's it. Bit messy, sticky, so mix it around with a spoon. You may need to add a little bit more water. It all depends on your flour. Your flour is different every single time. And then we just whack it on the surface, scrunch it together. So it forms a ball and goes pretty smooth. If it is a bit on the dry side, get your jug, a tiny bit more warm water, just swirl the bottom round with the oil. Just a tiny bit on top, just to moisten it. Too much, don't affect the recipe. And so just turn it and push it in with your heels of your hand. Turn it, but not so much now, just get it smooth as going. That's it. Get it knocked. And it'll start getting smoother and smoother. So just roll it to a sausage, fold it in, and with your heel of your hand push it in. Roll it in, heel of your hand, push it in. It's hard to do small than it is do a big dough. We get it rolled in, get nice and warm and sticky. Right, now the white loaf is proven. We're going to make a brown bread. Brown bread's very, very similar. So what we're going to do here, we need 800 grams of the white strong flour. There we go. And 400 of brown flour. It's a mixture of white and brown. So that's altogether 1,200 grams of flour. So 800 white, 400 wholemeal. I'm going to use 2 packets of yeast for this. So again, we're doubling the quantities. So 2 yeast, A bit of sugar. Get that mix up, get that yeast in there. A bit of salt, again, not too much salt because it will kill the yeast. Give that a good mix. Could do with a bigger bowl really, but my potatoes are in. Now this time I've got 650 mils. Last time we used 300 for half. Because brown flour, I find out it needs a little bit more liquid. And then a couple of glugs of oil again, veg oil, olive oil, light olive oil, whatever. Mix up. And again, don't pour all of it in, just save a bit at the bottom just in case. You might need it, you might not. There's a tiny bit in the bottom. And again, tip it onto the surface, have a play around with it, get it together, mix around, pick all the dregs of flour, clean your bench, give it a good knockabout, again get it all nice and smooth first, let the flour absorb all the liquid. Bit of flour on the surface, flour for the hands, and again, just play with it, knead it, bash it, bish it, bosh it, smash it, stretch it, whack it. Get a gun there, get a bit of a box there, whack it in, Then this will take 15 minutes. Again, you keep rolling it, it gets a bit too sticky. A bit of flour on the top on your hands. Bring it back, push it. Bring it back, push it. Again, what I like doing, I press as hard as I can to a sausage roll, and then turn it around, pick that end bit up, push it again to a sausage roll. Good to get the kids involved. Not too lazy little gets. For all those people, those posh people from Nunthorpe, Martin, they might have these little machines, Kenwoods, with the door hooks. Brilliant. They're absolutely fantastic. And they'll do a job. They'll do the job, they're the lazy part. But I enjoy getting stuck into homemade. We're going to make homemade bread, make it by hand. It's enjoyable, it's satisfying. And you can get everyone involved, get the kids involved. But yeah, machines are fantastic. They save a lot of time, a lot of mess. Whack it all in one big bowl with a door hook, and then it makes it 15 minutes. Job done. Nice smooth ball. Pop it back in the bowl. Cling film, because this one's going to rise a little bit more. Film. I'm going to put a little bit of oil, so it just doesn't stick to when it rises. And that is going to go next to the one. That's job done. Right, the bread's about there, so what we'll do, get our tins greased. I use a bit of margarine, a bit of oil, a bit of butter, good grease inside. Just dust it with flour. So we'll just... Right, our first bread, white bread, is ready. It's out, it's risen. Doesn't stick on top. That's the first thing you do, put hand in the flour and punch. Punch it in the middle. Knocks out any gaps, any air bubbles left in there. Pockets of air. Lift it out. Bit of flour now. Be careful. Don't knock all the air out of it. Don't knock all the hard work that's just gone into it. So you still want to knead it slightly, but don't knock all the air out. So I just roll it and I fold the ends in. Sticky. Nice and elastic. The secret in dough, or in bread, is your kneading. Don't skimp and scrape on your kneading because you're knackered or you think you've done it. Whenever you think it's ready, add 3-4 minutes onto it. So I do it about 10 minutes at least. But it's most important. Get that yeast activated and that gluten activated. It's getting warmer as you go along. And like I said, I've been at this now for the best part of 10-12 minutes, and it's getting softer, more like a putty Play-Doh. So it's getting softer, more pliable. It's nice and warm, it's not sticky anymore. Nice and smooth. Pulling it back. So it starts forming like a big dough ball. Get a big dough ball. Give it a tuck underneath. That's it, nice and smooth. And then the bowl you mix it in. Whack it in there. Cover with cling film. You can use a clean bowl, but if you do, grease it. Again, you can grease the cling film as well, but it's not going to rise that much. The dough's in there. It's ready to do its first prove. You can go outside. If you want, you can put a tea towel on it, put it on in the sun if it's nice and sunny and warm. Today is sunny, but it's not really warm. So that is in a bowl. And what I usually do, there's my oven. I've got a top oven here. It's an oven grill. And then I just whack a man in it to prove like that. And that'll take about 20 minutes, half an hour. What I do, I turn my oven on. It's about 120 at the very bottom. So my bottom oven's on. So the heat will rise and then I'll prove. Okay, back in half an hour. Minutes for 160. Turn it out to 140 for another 5 minutes. I'm just going to check the temperature to make sure it is cooked in the middle. And I want it at 90 degrees. Which for me, it's got a little bit off that. So I'm going to put it back in for 5 more minutes. The bread's come out. Check the temperature. There you are. 90 degrees. So that's ready. Fortunately, this one is not ready just yet, but it won't be long. I'll turn the oven down there to about 120, thereabouts, just to cook them a bit slower. Just to cook them through. Brown loaf and a white loaf. That won't take long. And I've got some lovely leek and potato soup there, just made. Whoa, gorgeous. Finished product, all done. A brown loaf, nice white loaf, and well, 2 bread rolls, because Calvin is at the pinch one. But yeah, there's your bread, all done. Recipe dead basic. If you're stuck anyone, give me a shout. Again, nothing chefy, just plain simple bread mixture. Alright, see you later, bye. Hi guys, if you enjoyed the videos and like what you're seeing, do me a favour, see that YouTube button down there, that subscribe button. Just give it a press, because the more subscriptions I get, the more I can do, the more I can keep helping you. I enjoy doing these. So hit the like button, just give it a click, and hit that one there. And let's keep cooking and let's stay safe, okay? Rock on. Hi guys, if you enjoyed the videos and like what you're seeing, do me a favour, see that YouTube button down there, that subscribe button. Just give it a press, because the more subscriptions I get, the more I can do, the more I can keep helping you. I enjoy doing these. So hit the like button, just give it a click, and hit that one there. And let's keep cooking and let's stay safe, okay? Rock on.